Hello guys, what's up? I'm Hers from coderswift and today I'm back with another video. So in this video we are going to learn about table view in Swift and how you gonna implement it in the Xcode to create new apps. So this is a very important video and you are going to learn about the basics of it, and you will also learn about how to get started in creating a new project, a new application project. So this video is going to be very helpful for the beginner programmers who are just getting started into Swift. So without wasting any further time, let's get started.
I gave you my heart.
Okay, now let's fire up the Xcode. So as you can see, I have the version 12.3, and let's just create a new Xcode project and make sure the platform is selected on the iOS and the application you have selected the app. And now just press next, and here you have to provide a product name, so let's just call it a table demo. Okay, now press next. Okay, now this is the window where you select the location of your project. Now just select the location if you want and press on create. So this is the editor window. You don't need to change anything here. You don't need this window in this project. So just go to the main.storyboard, and here you will find out a view controller. So this is a view controller where you will add a table view. So just click on this add icon and search for table view. There we go. This is a table view. Just drag and drop it into the view controller. Okay, now just let me zoom it out. So here is our table view, and we have to set the constraints. Let's make it 0 from the sides. Okay, we are done. So it fills the entire space of the UI, or I would say screen. So increase the prototype cell to 1 because it will give you a field to work upon. So this is your cell identifier, this is your cell prototype cell, and here you have to give it an identifier. Just call it cell for now. Now the storyboard part is almost done. Now you just have to connect an outlet in the view controller. So click on this little icon and select the view controller .swift, and within the class you have to add the outlet. So just click on the table view, press Ctrl on your keyboard and drag and drop it into the class, and this, let's call this outlet a table. Just connect it. Now the storyboard part is done and you have to code now. So within the view did load function, just add delegate and data source. So table dot data source is equal to self, and table delegate. All right. Add here UI table view data source and delegate. Wait, this is not the right one. Table view data source and UI table view delegate. So there we go, and we have to add some codes here. So what we're gonna add, just click on this fix button right here, and this is the function of number of rows in section. So this will govern your number of rows you want in your table, and the second function is cell for row add. So This second one is important because it governs the use and look of your cell, and we will add two more function here, number of sections and did select. So let's just add did select, and now add number of section. All right, so let's fill these blanks. For number of rows in the section, now let's give it a something of a content to show. So let's add some array, call it animals. So what animals do I know? So this is our array, and for the number of rows we are gonna go for animals dot count. So it will return 1 2 3 4 5. So it will return 5 rows because this array animals has 5 contents in it. Now for the second one, it's a bit complicated for a beginner. So the second one is cell for row at just just declare a constant cell which is gonna be table dot dequeue. So I forgot to add self dot table dot dequeue with cell identifier for the first one. So our identifier was cell and for index path obviously. Now cell dot text label dot text. So the text is gonna be animals index path dot row. All right, now it will return a cell. So what we did here, this is a dequeue call which will basically rearrange the cells in the bottom so that it has a continuous flow of cells in the table. And this one, the second here, is for the text label for the cell. So it will return the index path, which is for this animals index path. For the first row for the first cell it will return the text as dog, second cat, third line. So second one is bit easy for you to understand, and the third one just returns the cell. And now for the third one, did select row at. So when you tap the cell, this function gets executed. And for now, let's just print something when the cell gets tapped. Cell got tapped. All right, so the fourth one is for the number of sections. So what we want here, just one section, so return 1. It will return 1, which is the number of sections. So the coding part is also done here. So just run our code and make sure that it is connected on right device. So I'm just choosing an iPhone 11, so just run it and you will see a simulator getting popped on the screen. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, this is a table and these are the cells, and these are the basically the contents of array which we wanted to return as a cell. So as you can see, this is a output menu, and when I click on the cell, this got printed. So this is the basics. So this is how you add a table view.
So I hope you liked this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will be back with another video. Thank you.